Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you in my channel Learn Organic Chemistry. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy new year. In this channel, I am going to discuss about topics of organic chemistry. As all of you know, organic chemistry is a huge subject and it is interesting too. So, let's dive into the ocean of organic chemistry with me. Since today is the first lecture of my channel, I would not discuss about any particular topic. I would like to say you what is organic chemistry and what are the uses and importance of it in our daily life. So let's start. So the question is, what is organic chemistry? I would say it's an attempt to understand the chemistry of life. As you are reading my slide, your eyes are using an organic compound to convert visible light into nerve impulses. When you looked at the thumbnail of this video and clicked on it, your brain was doing certain chemical reactions. As you understand what I am saying, gaps between your brain cells are being bridged by simple organic molecules so that nerve impulses can be passed around your brain. And what is most interesting? You did all that without consciously thinking about it. You do not yet understand these processes in your mind as well as you can carry them out in your brain and body. Organic chemistry is the science of molecules around us containing carbon and other elements such as are found in living things. When a student of chemistry is asked what organic chemistry actually is, he or she will always answer you that it is a chemistry of molecules containing carbon. But don't get that misconception. Yes, it is the science of molecules containing carbon, but there are other elements also which are equally important and found in various living things. And last of all, I would like to say you one thing, that nature is the greatest organic chemist. The things which nature does are actually very fascinating. Okay, now this is what we can call a periodic table for organic chemists. This table highlights most of those elements in common use in organic reactions. The elements in green color, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, are the most important ones. So as I said earlier, don't just say that organic chemistry is all about carbon. The organic chemistry of silicon, boron, lithium, tin, copper, zinc, palladium, ruthenium, gold, samarium, etc. are also well studied, and these elements are common constituents of organic reagents used in the laboratory. Now, let's see some molecules containing some other elements rather than the carbon. First of all, you can see this is the structure of N-butyl lithium. This is a very common organometallic reagent used in organic chemistry. The second structure is of trimethyl chloride, which contains a silicon atom as well as a chlorine atom. The structure right to TaMsCl, that is trimethyl chloride, is of halomone. Okay, halomone is a naturally occurring anti-tumor agent, and as you can see, it contains chlorine, bromine and obviously the carbon atoms. And the last structure is of diethyl zinc, which contains a zinc metal center. Now I am going to show you some well-known organic compounds. Here you can see some molecules which are used as medicines. The first structure is of paracetamol. You all know what paracetamol is used for. The next structure is of aspirin. You know, aspirin is a very well known painkiller. We call it as an analgesic. Okay, now as you can see, this is Novartis imatinib, which is also known as Glyvec or Glivec. It is very useful for the treatment for cancers, usually leukemia. Now, as you can see, this is a very recently discovered drug used for the treatment for HIV and AIDS. Okay, now let's come to see some coloring agents. The first structure is of indigos. You know, indigo color is used in blue jeans. Now, there are some coloring agents which are used in various foods. The first one you can see, this is the structure of allura red, and the next one which is known as quinoline yellow. Now let's come to see some structure of sweeteners. As you can see, the first structure is of sucroses. Okay, you know the structure very well. It is a disaccharide made of glucose and fructose. Now, the next two structures are known as artificial sweeteners. The first one is saccharin and the second one is aspartame, which is also known as NutraSweet, and you know what? It is 200 times sweeter than sugar, that is sucrose. There are various organic molecules in daily life we use. The first one you can see here, this is an antioxidant BHT. The next one is an anti-fertility drug which is novesterol. And the last one here in this slide is limonene, which has the fragrance of lemon. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. In science, every subject has its brighter side as well as its darker side. So here comes the darker side of organic chemistry. The first structure, as you can see, it's of morphines. As you all know, morphine is a narcotic drug. The next one is the structure of TNT. You all know it is a very commonly used explosive. And the last one is the structure of nicotine. You all know where nicotine is present. Okay, so that's it. Hope you can understand the huge aspect and importance of organic chemistry in our daily life. Please let me know how do you feel about this lecture and post your thoughts in the comment box. If you like my effort, please like and subscribe. So goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.